everybody, Lucas from Lucascrazynerd here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a backflip on a trampoline. This is a skill I've had for a couple years now, and I think it's time to expand my knowledge to other living beings. Anyways, I know a lot of tutorials out there I struggled with because they would always be like, yo, all you got to do is just, you know, throw yourself backwards and tuck your legs. You can't just like get over your fear like that. This tutorial, I'm going to be helping you build your courage to be able to flip over your head and do a backflip. Yeah, get a place that you're comfortable with flipping, you know? I feel like kind of if you're gonna flip backwards, just get kind of over here so you have all that space. You kind of want to get at an angle, kind of like this. You just want to stand here, don't bounce, just get at an angle this low. What you're going to want to do is you want to flip over your shoulder, but you want to flip over your shoulder at a very low point. We're starting off low, kind of get, you know, as low as here. It might not even look like a flip, just trust me, okay? So you're going to flip over your shoulder. I'll show you what that looks like right here. So of course that looked really stupid, really weird. That's the point. Maybe you want someone to come out and make sure you're doing it right, because some people sometimes just do like a, you know, a 180. That's not really a flip over your shoulder. So anyways, you want to do that a couple times until you're comfortable. It gets you used to the feeling of flipping and also flipping backwards. So you're flipping over your shoulder. So you started out at a low point, kind of at this angle. So now what you want to do, instead of just going straight into the backflip, you're not ready for that yet. You want to go, you know, you're right here. I flipped about this low. Raise up just a little bit, kind of angle your body, angle it up more. So after you angle your body up more, do the same thing again. Flip over your shoulder. Just keep flipping over your shoulder. And I'll do it again from a higher angle, I guess. Again, it's gonna look stupid. It's gonna look weird. It's gonna feel weird. Honestly, I feel like flipping over the shoulder is it's a weirder feeling than actually doing a backflip. So again, you want to do that a couple times until you feel confident, until you feel comfortable. We're just getting used to the feeling of flipping backwards. So now that you've done that a couple of times, we're gonna go up a little bit more. Still not a backflip yet. So we just flipped from like about right here. Angle yourself a little bit more upward straight now. And just do that same flip over your shoulder again at a higher angle. I'm gonna do it again. It's gonna look stupid. Again, you don't have to land it. I don't even think I said that, but here we go. It's a weird flip. You can do it while bouncing. I find it kind of harder to do while bouncing if you want to do it while bouncing. Now that you've done it over your shoulder that many times, you might actually feel comfortable doing the backflip. Maybe you want to position yourself a little bit higher, but not necessarily do a backflip. Maybe you want to stand straight, but still go over your shoulder. That's fine too. All right, so once you're here, you flip over your shoulder, and it'll basically be a backflip, but not really. You know, it's gonna look like this. We are going over our shoulder this whole time. If you feel comfortable enough, now it's time to go over your head. You can do it with a little bounce if you want, or you can just, you know, move yourself back. I'd rather do it with bounce. That's cool. But look, that's about it. That's all there is to it. I hope you guys got something out of this video. I know that's the way I learned, and I hope it's helpful. And I just want to share that knowledge, maybe help some people out there who are trying to learn a backflip and get comfortable with it. So yeah, well, that's the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already. I upload twice a week on this channel. Mondays are Music Mondays. I do anything music related. And Thursdays I do videos like this. Sometimes they're comedy based, you know, vlogs, skits. Today I did a backflip tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on Monday. My stomach's turning.